we're out and about again.
Going down.
So, ayan. Pupunta lang kami sa
Where are we going?
Doors closing.
Car?
Yeah. Punta kami sa may town. We're just gonna roam around Sheffield town center
Have I got a
because...
mic?
Yes? Why? Do you wanna be on vlog?
No, not really.
Why are you asking for mic
Oh,
then?
Because if you're going to make me, then you need a mic.
Yeah. And then, yeah, we're gonna roam around. What time is it?
Doors opening. Going up.
11 o'clock.
Doors closing.
Then yung time namin sa Eat All You Can is nung oras nga ba yun? 1:45. So meron pa kaming time na mag-ikot sa town. Punta lang kami dito sa car park kasi dadaling ko yung aking coat and then magpapalit ako ng shoes. So ayan, nasa labasan na kami mga kamisis. Meron ditong maple leaves. Tingnan nyo. Autumn na kasi, di ba? Ayan o, kung nakikita nyo mga kamisis. Di ba? There's a lot of Asian student kasi may international school dito mga kamisis. So ayan, yung hotel kasi na pinag-i-stayan namin is nandito mismo sa may town center. Kaya malapit kami sa town. Yan. May nakita kong first shop dito mga kamisis. Mga ano ba tawag dito? Charity shop. Ayan o. Mga books. Mga, ayan. Sari-sari. Shall I go inside? So, ayan mga kamisis. Kagagaling ko lang dyan sa British Heart Foundation and then dun sa may St. Luke's na yan. Kasi ano din yan. Ayan. Charity shop. And then, yung mga ibon, mga kalapati. Sabi ni Mr. may feeding frenzy daw dyan kanina pero hindi ko naabutan kasi nasa shop ako. And then, yeah. Is this the, the big one? Ah, so ayan yung kanilang mga ano. And then maybe, what is this bit? Oh, really? Ah. And then this is going straight to the town hall?
Yeah.
So, ayan mga kamisis, oh. What's this tents?
It's probably for the outdoor market.
Ah. So, ayan. Still quite busy, isn't it? Even if it's Monday.
Yeah.
It's Monday, baby. Looks like bloody weekend.
All of these people have jobs.
So, ayan. Ayan mga kamisis, nandito kami sa may indoor market. So, ito ang palengke nila dito. It's nice. Yan o.
Is it?
Parang palengke lang. Yeah, parang palengke lang ng Pilipinas.
Smell isn't nice.
Ayan o. Diba? Yung mga ganyan. Pag nasa probinsya tayo, bibili tayo ng mga ganyan. Para maiuwi natin ang mga kung ano man ang kalakal sa probinsya. And then, ayan. Hanap tayo kung merong ano dito. Maghahanap tayo kung merong Filipino shop. So, ayan. Nandito kami sa parang food court nila mga kamisis.
Close as you get to street food.
Yeah. Ayan o, may pandan sila mga kamisis, oh. Uy. May pandan ka. I want that.
Yeah, get it if you want.
That pandan kuy lapis.
If you want something, just get it. So,
Really?
yeah, of course.
So, ayan o, may pandan sila mga kamisis. Parang ang sarap. I'm gonna get that one. So, ayan mga kamisis. We will try this pandan ku lapis. That's what it's called. She said that is right. That's what.
Oh, I can smell the pandan.
Can you? It's very, oh, it's a sticky one. It's like sapin in the Philippines. It's sticky. Wanna try? You don't like this one. I think this is good if you got coconut, roast coconut dipping sauce. Dipping sauce like the dip.
I like the pandan flavour. It's alright.
Yeah. It's still light, isn't it?
Oh,
Masarap. Sarap. Is it good?
it's alright. I don't know how you could eat all of it.
Yeah. It's quite a lot, really. Kaya, nag-try lang naman kami. Pero masarap siya, mga kamisis. Para siyang texture siya ng sapin-sapin. And it's good. Maybe I'll just put it here. But,
Lucy.
and I've got there's no Hazel, so I've got Lucy and Elizabeth. they don't so I've got two names. Elizabeth, Lucy. That's yeah. But anyway, shall we get moving, baby? Cause
Yeah.
so yeah, tinikman ko lang naman. I think I need water now. So yeah, let's go. So ayan, let's continue our roaming around. And I think this one is an Asian store. Yan. Mukhang Asian store yan, mga kamisis. Tingnan natin. Oh no, it's not.
There's an unpleasant smell in it.
Ha? Oh, ayun sa kabila ang ano. Sa kabila ang Asian store. I can see Filipino food.
Thank you. You need receipt?
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ito naman ay mga butcher, mga kamisis. Oh my goodness. It's a shame I can't do it niya.
Here? Well,
Yeah.
if we don't go to that,
Yeah, I think it's gonna be pain, isn't it? Yan o, ang dami mga kamisis. Oh, ang sarap. Fresh na fresh. May tilapia sila dyan. Ayan, parang sa bangus. That looks like bangus, oh. Sibas naman yan, isa na yan. So, ayan. And then ito din. Uy. Uy. Pork dripping. So, ayan, oh. Ang dami nilang mga ano dyan. Then dito naman sa kabila. Mga fresh na fresh, mga kamisis. Ayan, oh. Ox beef kidney. Fresh na fresh ang mga made. And may brisket sila dyan, oh. That's the one that I like. Ayan, oh, my goat sila dyan, mga kamisis. 10 pound. Pork ribs. Oh my goodness. Ang mura, oh. Very cheap. Ang sarap niyan sa crispy pata, oh. Mga kamisis, 3.50 lang.
It's an eel.
Oh, yes. Ayun, oh, ang dami nilang mga isda, mga kamisis, fresh na fresh. Diyos ko, Lord. I hope sa tinitira namin may ganito, pero wala.
Size of the squid.
Where?
There.
Oh, yeah, that's a big one. I wanna go down there. Ayan, oh, they've got oyster as well.
Yellow fin tuna.
Yeah. They're still alive.
What are?
Crab. Lobster. Lobster, mga kamisis. May scallops dyan. 33 tiger prawn. I wish they've got like this in Kemet.
I thought that wasn't you there. I thought that was you over there. You just.
I wish they've got something like that in bloody Kemet.
Yeah.
My God.
I think you'd be shopping here a lot if you lived here.
Yeah. There is. There's loads. Yeah. Then look at the prawns, oh. It's very cheap, isn't it? Ano, mga salmon head, cod head, £2.50
I
only.
didn't really realise that cod were that big.
That's why they got it in fish and chips, isn't it? It's big. Oh, that's why they got XXXL fish and chips. Ang daming mga Asian, mga kamisis. Ayan. Ayan. It's down here. There, oh. Can you see?
Cosmo is.
So, ayan, nandito kami sa may Peace Garden ang tawag dito. And then, parang tropical garden. Ayan, meron silang kawayan dyan, mga kamisis. Oh. Pero iba yung kawayan natin, di ba? Yung kawayan natin is dikit-dikit. Ito is layo-layo. Then, ayan, may maliit na pond dyan. Where? And then, ito naman is mga... Oh, may pine tree sila dito. Why there's a pine tree here? Then, ayan. Is there a pandan? So, ayan. Ayan, oh, ito yung magandang halaman, mga kamisis, diba? Ayan. Nakalimutan ko na kung ano ang tawag dyan. Wala pala akong mic. Teka lang. So, ayan. Ito naman ay ang mga kawayan. Ayan, oh. Hindi siya dikit-dikit, diba? Black bamboo. Ah, black bamboo. Ayan. Black nga yung kanyang ano. The one that you can fry. Ayan, mga kamisis, oh. Mayroong nalaglag na ano dito, na bunga. Ayan, oh. May bunga. Para siyang saba. Kasi maaano yung, ano niya, yung corn. May mga corner. And then, ayan, oh. Saging. And then, it's nice to eat. In the Philippines, hoy, this is our plate on like a boodle bite, isn't it? That one. Yeah.